she said, "Te amo." Then she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, "Te amo." Told her I'm not gonna run away. Let me go. I saw you to cry. I'll ask you why. I said, "Te amo." Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I love you. Don't it mean I love you? Te amo. She's scared to breathe. I hold your hand and got no choice. Meet me out on the beach, danced in the water. I start to leave. She's begging me and asking why it's over. And she said, "Te amo." Then she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, "Te amo." Told her I'm not gonna run away. Let me go. I saw them to cry. I'll ask you why. I said, "Te amo." Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I love you? Don't it mean I love you? Listen, we can dance. You gotta wash your hands. Watch me all night. I'm moving to the light because I understand that we all need love, and I'm not afraid. Feel the love, but I don't feel that way. Then she said, "Te amo." Then she put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, "Te amo." Told her I'm not gonna run away. Let me go. I saw it to cry. I'll ask you why. I said, "Te amo." Somebody tell me what she said. Don't it mean I love you? Think it means I love you. Don't it mean I love you? I think it means I love you. I love you. Te amo, te amo.
When you cut my chips, guys, like nase mekdiba ngangqesha guys, and man wabhekile ngathi maningi kata it was only 4 potatoes like amancane.
I don't know how shit got me lazy right now, yeah. Can't do Percocets on my leg. I'm trying to live it up, get it right, baby, yeah, right, yeah. Bring it up to my plate, you be high, baby, yeah. So I know you, yeah.
I want a dude with a wicked slang.
Baby, yeah. So I know you, yeah.
You want a proper fit? Call me. You want to get your kicks? Call me. You want the cheese tricks? Call me.
Baby, yeah. So I know you, yeah. Bring it over to my plate, you don't know what you do. Eat to me, your body like it. Sleeps to me, I don't know what you do. Eat to me, your body love it. Wait,
in the end, done.
Lost without you. How does it feel to know that I love you, baby? Lost without you. Can't help myself. How does it feel to know that
fucking Robitussin. I don't know how this shit got me lazy right now, yeah. Can't do Percocets on my leg. I'm 21, trying to live it up, yeah, right, baby, yeah, right, yeah. Bring it over to my place, you be like, baby, yeah. So I know you, yeah. Bring it over to my plate, you don't know what you did. Eat to me, your body like it. Speaks to me, I don't know what you did. Eat to me, your body like it. Speaks to me, so sing for me. Yeah, 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 you took my, yeah, you took my.
You're 22, do what I handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22, do what I handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. Say you like to ring your right. Girl, I really know your type is me. Wondering if you and I could be Kim K and Kanye crazy. Just maybe constant crazy with my lady. You got something that I'm interested in. just maybe. You're 22, two got a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22, two got a handle. Girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. 22 going on 23. You look prettier when you're fucking with me. I mean, see, I'ma show you what it means to be loved. 22 going on 23. You look prettier when you're fucking with me. I mean, see, I'ma show you what it means to be loved. You're 22, you're 22. Two got a handle, girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby. You're 22, two got a handle, girl, I wanna handle you. Put my hands upon you, baby.
You're now tuned into the people's DJ, the one and only DJ Harlow.
Hey guys, I hope you guys are good. I'm good. I'm going to Emal. Just need to do something for my mom, and then gonna come back, you know. Yeah, so I'll be taking you guys with me, you know. And it's my first time going to Emal, like, alone. I think it's my first time. I think it is, guys. I've never went alone, guys. Yeah, guys, yeah, I've never went alone. Sure. Okay, let me go. I don't know which bag to carry. It's in a tripod. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave my perfumes here. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave them here. Ngizofaka my perfume. Ekuseni bengifake iScandal. I don't know, manje ngizofaka in. I'm gonna check. Yeah. Guys, I'm so tired. Since I because of Gashi sign, I went to a Twisted challenge, and one bottle broke because of cheese. So yeah, I'm scared now. Let me see. Must I take it? I don't know. Let me put on a perfume, and then I'll decide before I leave if I'm gonna take it or not. Ne? Yeah. Until I'm gonna put on Amanisi. Ne? This is Amanisi. This is my perfume. Yeah. See, looking nice. Yeah. Katele, guys. Bios, guys. We also have a special for Feb. I don't know if by the time I post this vlog, so it's just a connect. But yeah, I'm thinking to leave the perfumes. Yeah, I'm gonna leave them, it's fine. No, I'm gonna take them so that I get used to taking my perfumes, guys. So yeah, let me finish quickly and then we are going. Hi guys, I hope you guys I just requested right now. Oh, my tripod. I'm waiting for my Uber driver. And then I don't know if you're going to see my OTT. Let me put it down. Oh.
money. It's good to tell me, but do whatever.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around.
Find out or maybe some suspicious or something there. Nothing.
It's nothing.
For a man to cheat, it's not something.
Cheating is nothing.
You don't put it in your heart. You can be angry for that certain time and then you forgive him and let it go. Continue with your life. As long as you still do the same thing, no changes.
So, mina manga cheater as a girlfriend. It's wrong.
Ngicabanga lento nginika yona lento to yinike hey wena
Nawe lento unika yona unika sabanye wethi. Ni wrong, it's unfair.
As that day comes, as I go, God, I want your
Like I said, we compromise, we don't compromise. Hey,
Manje it's right for a man to cheat.
it's not right, but each and every man cheats.
Okay, let every woman cheat then.
Yeah, a woman, yes, you can cheat, but like in
Anangondo,
no, you can cheat, but like some other things is not a cheating. Like you went out with your friends for the weekend and then you pop up with a guy. Yeah, that one you don't even know him, no numbers, nothing. You just had fun and then you come back.
Let's say it continues, because I get none man cheater, it continues.
So you are cheating again. But
Cheating is cheating. None of them have 5 seconds.
No,
5 minutes.
That one is not a cheating.
It's cheating.
It's not a cheating.
It's what?
Okay, ladies out. You are Nisemaputo or maybe you went.
I have to
monitor.
monitor what?
Well, I know, man.